Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with an update to the Day 1 severe weather outlook. There have been some changes, so let's get right to it. So, this margin of risk over here remains the same. This margin of risk over here remains largely the same, alright? There have been some minor tweaks with it, but I don't have time to go to the tiny tweaks. And some minor changes with this risk over here, the margin risk over here. Kind of got expanded westward into Ohio too. But today there is now the storm prediction series added a slight risk for severe weather today, which encompasses northeastern Virginia, Washington D.C., parts of Maryland, northern half of Delaware, eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, parts of most of New Jersey actually, southeastern New York State, including New York City, parts of northwestern Connecticut, and parts of Massachusetts. Cities in today's slate include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Newark, New Jersey. And again, the margin risk over here otherwise remains the same in other areas, alright? But there are now two additional marginal risk areas for today. There's one that over here that covers parts of Texas, and another new one over here covering parts of southeast Tennessee, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, and western North Carolina. Cities in today's marginals include Phoenix, Arizona, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Boston, Massachusetts, and Tucson, Arizona. Going to see if there's a tornado threat. Nope, still no tornado threat. Still no tornado threat. Alright? Oops, going to the wind now. So, there's been some changes with the wind risk, but the 5% wind risk here remains the same, pretty much. The 5% wind risk here remains the same. And here's the 5% over here, well, largely, but there are some slight expansions with the 5%. And the storm prediction center has introduced a 15% wind risk area for today, which covers northeastern Virginia, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, northern half of Delaware, eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, most of New Jersey, southeastern New York State, including New York City, as well as northwestern Connecticut and parts of Massachusetts. And there are two additional 5% wind risk areas for today. One for parts of Texas, and another for southeast Tennessee, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, and western North Carolina. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today includes New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Newark, New Jersey. And the 5% includes Phoenix, Arizona, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Boston, Massachusetts, and Tucson, Arizona. Alright? So let's get the hail threat changed. Really no change with the hail risk either. So I'm not gonna go over the hail risk because it does not look like it's changed. If I can ever spit it out. So anyway, in summary, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms capable primarily of damaging gusts will be possible today from the Mid-Atlantic states into southwest New England. So that's your Day 1 update. So stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know what slight and marginal can pull off. Now I'll have my Day 2. Wait, let's see if the Day 2 outlook has something. Yep, it does. So but it's not updated yet. So once the storm prediction center, updates Day 2, I'll do the Day 2 outlook video. So stay safe today and take care.